Hello and welcome to this tutorial on taking retirement benefits. This example will show how to enter an annuity purchase recommendation. We've created a test case here, and as you can see we've got two existing uncrystallised pension plans from which we're looking to purchase an annuity. In order to get the pension crystallisation advice options, we need to select the looking to take benefits boxes here and here. I'm now going to proceed straight to the fees and recommendations page, and upon selecting the advice to give, you can see that we are presented with various options for taking retirement benefits. If I choose annuity for both of these existing pension plans, you can see that the system generates the recommended new arrangements and prompts you to enter details for the new annuity. In this example we'll use an Aviva lifetime annuity, although other options are available for special types of annuity. You can see that the transfers in box has been populated already with the existing pension plans that are being used for the annuity purchase. We're also invited to enter details of the escalation, which we can enter as a number or in terms of a price index, the amount of dependents' pension, and any guarantee period that we would like. Under contributions and withdrawals, we must select the tax-free cash to be taken. The default is 25%, so be sure to double click this and change to 0 if you wish to use the full fund value to purchase an annuity. You can also add any income withdrawal options, such as the amount to be taken in an annuity and the frequency. In this example, I will enter a monthly income withdrawal of £850.